Hello everyone, so I was working on this painting while I got commission work from a client. He wanted me to draw this painting of a lady. So on this video actually I just wanted to show you how I do my underpaintings. So this is my canvas. Let me just quickly fix my camera here and then we can start. Okay, let's go. I wanted to show you how I place those figures and the objects around without using that grid during using this free method. So let me divide this canvas into two parts basically. So I see that the lady is around 40 or 45% on this canvas and rest of it is the background, you can see, right? So not 45, I believe it's 40. So I just divided this canvas. Let me pull this up. Okay, as you see, so I'll start drawing her head from here and then I'll just put in the background. So I am not going to draw the features or complex details, but just the outlining of these large objects. And basically I'll be drawing these large shapes so I can define it later. So this is the background, that Eiffel Tower on the back. I believe it's a ChatGPT photo or maybe a Gemini photo. But whatever it is. See, I'm drawing the outer layer of the portrait or the lady. So you can see I do usually start with those lines basically. Just some simple lines. I'll define the outer layer and then on the further layers I'll just move ahead and mark the highlights, the complex part, the features and all. Right now I'm just drawing the contour of her body and the contour of the object behind her. Let me just fast forward it from here so you do not get bored. I'm going to do it 2x or 3x maybe, so you can still understand how I'm doing these contours. It is gonna be simple and let me explain you once I complete this. So here it is, just a simple underpainting you can say, or just a contour drawing maybe. I'll just do some black and whites here and just transform a bit of this portrait. And I'll just do the blacks on the background and keep it a little bit sharp so I can paint it later on that. But basically I'll be focusing on the front lady because we want our viewers' eyes on her and our client's eyes as well. Okay, so I'll just quickly add the background details some bit and then I'll start painting her. I'll just do some grisaille. So I'll just add those highlights and blacks and midtones on her, and then I'll start to layer upon the face. I like to work in this way because I love those old masters drawings, and they used to draw in the same way, doing the underpainting, grisaille, and working on above that, like glazing and all. That's it. I'll see you in the next video where I'll be just completing this. Bye bye.